Help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code BLUBRRY004.
Hello.
Yeah. All right. Well, welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. Anytime somebody brings a bag of goodies along, I'm all for this. So tell us about Tonies.
Yes, of course. So Tonies is a screen-free audio entertainment system for kids. So this is the Toniebox.
Okay.
So if you feel it, it's squishy, durable, nice material around the Toniebox, and it's a speaker system. So essentially, you
That's
can
pretty
play anything that goes on top.
Okay.
Stories, songs, a bunch of other content. So
Okay.
right here, these are the fun stuff. These are the Tonies. So we got Cookie Monster, Paddington 2, very new,
Cookie.
Encanto, Mo Williams, Pigeon. So a lot of kids' favorites. So we
Okay.
have characters, we have sleep time Tonies, morning routine Tonies, etc. And
Okay.
essentially, you put them on top. They play stories and songs and other content depending on the figurine on top. So right now we're getting the best Encanto jams.
Oh, yeah.
You guys hear that? And to change the song, you just switch the character.
They stopped dancing over there.
Oh.
Here we go.
There you go. This is
All
my
right, so yeah.
favorite, Cookie.
Oh, me can't wait to play with you. What's your name?
That's really clever.
Yeah.
So you have a toddler, and
Yes.
all they have to do is just grab one of these figurines, put it up on there, and away they go.
Yep, screen-free fun for kids, which is just so important these days. And so it really is wonderful
Oh
that
my
they have all the
goodness.
characters, the kids know and love, but they're not having any of the screen time.
Yeah. Yeah. So do you get all these as a set? Do you buy each of these individually? How does this work?
Yeah, great question. So it comes with the Toniebox and one Tony.
Okay.
And that ranges for $99.99.
Okay.
And then all these Tony figurines, on average, range from like $14.99 to $20.99. I would say mostly $18. You can buy them at Walmart, Target, Amazon, Nordstrom, Oliver Kohl's.
Okay. I'm formulating
Lots
more
of places.
questions. Yeah, this is exciting. So the figurines, are all these tunes and stuff already pre-programmed into the box, or when you buy one,
good question.
does it actually like update the firmware? How does that work?
Yeah. So when you get a Toniebox, at the bottom there's a serial number, and you plug that into the My Tonies app. And so once you do that, you hook up your Toniebox to your home Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So that's all good. And then you get your Tony figurine, put it on top at home, and you see right here this green square will turn blue.
Okay.
And then it'll turn back to green when it's done programming, and it goes ding. You're like all good to go. So now these Tonies are all paired off of Wi-Fi. So they were previously paired, and now they work, on the go when you're in the airport, car road trip, daycare, all those good places. But essentially, when you put the Tony on top, it reads it from the cloud and stores it in the Toniebox.
Okay. So what's the inspiration behind this?
Yeah, that's a great question. So it was founded in Germany in
Okay.
2016. It was two parents on a preschool board. So one was, really tech focused. One was more advertising focused. And they're like, we need a new way to create some kind of cassette player or speaker system for kids nowadays. Cassettes were so big back in the day. I know I'm a little too young to play with cassettes. But they really just came up with this idea. And so it started in Germany in 2016. They had a prototype, made new versions of it, came to the U.S. in 2020. And yeah, we've been here for 4+ years. It's been going crazy, taking off.
That's fantastic.
So it's been wonderful.
So you just go out and work out a licensing deal with these
Exactly.
different figures and bring these things to life for kids.
Yes.
Yeah, that's fantastic. It's really cool. It's really cool.
Yeah.
I wish I was a kid again. Well, okay. Maybe.
Everyone says, I wish
maybe
my
I
kids
am.
were young again, that you can play with it.
Yeah.
And I will say it's very easy to use, super durable. You can change the song by hitting the side. And then you can fast forward and rewind by tilting. So
That's really
super
clever.
kid-friendly, so the kids can, use it all on their own. And then you have the parents have the app. So if they want to make sure the volume's a little softer, if kids have headphones in, the parents can control that in the app. But it really is so kid-friendly. They can do all the commands by themselves,
Yeah.
really easy. The ears are
I bet
volume
they
control.
love the fact they can just tap it like
Exactly,
that. It's just
yeah.
so great.
So
That is so
many
great.
options, and truly, these are just a handful of characters. We have over 200 Tonies. So
Oh
this is a
my.
very, very small collection that I brought over.
Okay. And there, other than, I know you have massive distribution too, but you can get them online as well. I'm
Yep,
guessing?
Amazon, us.tonies.com, Walmart, Target, a ton of independent toy stores across the U.S.
Okay.
Yeah, and more. Barnes & Noble. I can name a lot.
Yeah. No, this is very, very cool. Does anybody ever come to you like with an idea for a new Tony or whatever?
Oh yes, we get a lot of requests.
Yeah.
And we always bring them up to the top. So they know we have a list of requests, and we're aware of the fan favorites out there.
Interesting. Yeah. This is fantastic.
Oh.
Anything I'm missing, Maddie? I'm just blown away by this.
Oh, thank you. No, I did forget to bring one, but we do have, I will say, they're called Creative Tonies.
Okay.
So it's a Tony figurine without content on them. They can hold up to 90 minutes of content, and so this is super popular with grandparents or parents who are traveling for work. So essentially, you can go into the app and record up to 90 minutes of content, and you put your Creative Tony on the Toniebox, and it downloads instantly. So parents that are traveling for work, say, can video message their kids every day in the Tonies app, and the kids at home can put the Tony on, and it'll start working, and they can hear like the message of the day, what their parents did.
Yeah.
And even like grandparents reading stories is super popular. We have a lot of heartwarming stories of families that, grandmas and certain Tonys and the kids love it. And, it's just really heartwarming and special and creative. And so I think those are a really big hit that we've been seeing.
That's a fantastic add-on to this product. I can see that being very, very popular.
Yeah. Lots more to come this year, too, so super excited.
Yeah, well, that's fantastic. Well, Maddie, I appreciate you being on the show.
Oh, thank you.
Looking forward to it. Alice, grab her card on the way out, too, okay?
Yeah.
And
I'll hook you up.
Well, that would be okay, too. I actually have ideas for you.
We appreciate all feedback. We love it. There's a lot to come.
Yeah, you shouldn't say that around me. I'm just warning you. But no, this is a fantastic product, and I can see kids absolutely love. I love this myself, and I think I love it. So, all right.
We appreciate it.
Thanks, Maddie.
The Tech Podcast Network's CES 2025 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Kirk Corliss. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Tracy Ingram, Xerxes Goddard, Brandy Jackson, and Aviva Cram. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, and Scott Ertz. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. The TPN studio executive is Todd Cochran. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2025.